Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer using Revolut to Estonia. So what you'll need to do is basically open up your Revolut app, then go to the payments right here and click on the plus icon. Here, if you're local and if you're Estonian, you'll need to select Revolut or a bank. But if you're international and want to do international payment, just select on international. Here where it says select destination, select Estonia and basically put the currency that you want to send them, how much do you want to send them, put some info like IBAN and all etc. And then you'll need to select from which do you want to send, so select if you want to send from the card or bank, and after that confirm it. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.